Hi, this is Jace from ARM-US, and in today's TechConnect, we want to go over some of the unique features of the Parrot ANAFI AI. When setting out to design this aircraft, the team at Parrot says they drew their inspiration from nature, giving this versatile drone a one-of-a-kind appearance. The ANAFI AI comes in at just under 2 pounds, yet it's still spec'd for resistance to winds up to 31 miles per hour. The payload features a 48 megapixel, 1/2 inch CMOS sensor with quad Bayer color filtering and up to 14 stops of dynamic range, making this an optimal choice for inspection, photogrammetry, and point cloud generating applications. The ANAFI AI features an omnidirectional sensing system for advanced obstacle avoidance. This is accomplished via the use of 2 dynamic stereoscopic cameras located at the front of the aircraft. These cameras perceive their environment to detect obstacles and assist in positioning. With the Free Flight app, you will have access to one-click flight plan creation. Using artificial intelligence, the drone will quickly and automatically define optimum flight parameters for accurate 3D capture and reconstruction missions. This aircraft is also capable of using grid, double grid, and orbit missions in the Pix4D Capture flight planning app. One thing that really sets this aircraft apart from others in this category is the SIM card slot. This means that in addition to Wi-Fi radio, this drone can transmit 1080p video at low latency without any range limit and anywhere in the world that has cellular connectivity. The applications this opens up to the ANAFI AI includes operations beyond visual line of sight, as well as some enterprise-type missions where normal radio connection might be interrupted. If you'd like to learn more about the Parrot ANAFI AI, reach out to our team at ask@armus.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more drone and robotics news and information.